so excited because I finally went shopping. First, I didn't go shopping because I was in school and I was broke, and now I still don't go shopping that much because I'm out of school and I'm still kind of broke. But Fashion Nova had a sale and I finally was like, I gotta get on that, okay? They were getting rid of their summer stuff, but who cares? You can put a cardigan over anything and it'll be fine for fall. I didn't do anything crazy like $500 worth of stuff or $1,000 worth of stuff. So I just got a little bit, you know. This is my first time kind of really trying anything from Fashion Nova or getting anything. I've only gotten, I think, 2 pairs of jeans once, but shirts and stuff, this is kind of my first time. So this is this small package that I got. First, I'm gonna show you guys and then I'm gonna try it on. I really hope this fits good because I'm gonna be disappointed. There's a couple of things in here that I'm pretty excited about. I got a pair of jeans. They don't look like I expect them to look. So these are the jeans that I got. I guess the only part that I really don't like is all these, I don't know, I just don't like this right here. I didn't really see it. Part of the problem with me is that I really don't see how clothes look online, and then I just order them and then I get them and I'm like, oh, I didn't expect this. But tummy slimming jeans. We'll see how this looks and hopefully I will like it. I really hope so because I can't return this. The next one, I'm pretty excited about this one. These are some joggers that I got. They seem pretty comfortable. They're not thin, like super thin, but they're like, the material is really, it's nice. You have fake back pockets, which I'm not mad about or anything, whatever. The next shirt that I got was this orange looking crop top. It's just a simple crop top. I kind of dress really simple. I thought it was good because it was like orangey, kind of a fall color, and you know, I could wear it instead of just waiting in summer. I also want to try some things that I wouldn't usually get. This is one of them that I got. I really like how the girl, maybe I'll put a picture or something, but I really like how the girl was wearing it. She was wearing a leather jacket over it and it looked really cute. And I was like, oh, maybe I should try it out. The next one that I got is just a simple shirt, like one of these, and I thought it was gonna look nice with the joggers that I just got, so we'll see. My vision for all of these is to wear cardigans, just a heads up, because I love wearing cardigans and all of that. Okay, I'm actually really sad about this because this is one of the outfits that I was looking forward in the picture. Okay, this is so cute, but I thought it came with the set. I swear it said the set or something, but unfortunately just the hoodie came. It was this and it was the pants with it. This is so cute and it's such a nice color and I like how it feels. It feels super comfy. The next thing, I don't remember. Oh yeah, this is just a simple basic shirt that I got. You know, it's just a regular, because I really needed a long sleeve that I could wear anywhere at any occasion and dress it up and dress it down. But this is just a regular schmegular long sleeve shirt. I think it's a crop as well. Most of my shirts are crop. Then I got, wow, I didn't think this was gonna be as bright as it is. This is something totally out of my comfort zone. This is a shirt that I got. Obviously, it's kind of summery and stuff, but who cares? I actually like how this color looks on camera. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Anxiety. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and show you guys my outfit ideas. Maybe some of them, not all of them. This is that neon shirt that... Just checking to see if the microphone's on. This is that neon shirt, you know, that baby girl shirt. I think it's cute. It's a color that I never thought that I would get, but now that I got it, I'm like, why didn't I ever get anything like this color? These are not the jeans. I'm about to try on, I should have tried on the jeans, right? But I'll try them on in a little bit. I actually really like this shirt a lot. This is really cute. I'll be back and I'm gonna try on the rest of the things. Maybe the jeans. I'll probably try on the jeans. This is a, you know, that white shirt with the jeans. They're not that bad, but they're okay. I mean, I hope you guys can see them. They're okay. They're not as stretchy as I would want them. Like, they are a little bit stretchy, but you know that jegging stretch that you get? They're pretty high-waisted. They go like past my belly button. And then this is the shirt. I really like this top. You can wear it with a cardigan, without a cardigan, whatever you want. I didn't think these jeans were gonna fit me. They seemed really tight at first. I don't know where I would wear this to. Maybe like the park. Just walking around, because where am I gonna go? This is that long sleeve top. I have a hat that could go with it. I'm gonna put on the hat and then see how it looks like. I actually really like this. It's your fellow witch from next door. This is cute. So far, I'm really liking everything. This is the shirt, not shirt, but like the hoodie. It's a very nice color. Maybe it's not a fall color, but I don't care. This looks pretty cute. I kind of like it. This is perfect for a day to just stay in and just wear sweats. Not too down. You don't get to see all my business here, as if I even had anything to look at. Okay, this is that one shirt that I said I didn't know how it was gonna fit, and the one that was like a biker type of shirt. It kind of looks like a rib cage. I'm actually kind of sad that I don't have the black leather jacket so I can show you how it looked like I saw it in the picture. I think I left it at my mom's house or something. I think my favorite one is probably the one that I put the hat on with. Maybe if I put the hat on with this one. This could also work. You know what I'm feeling with this? I'm feeling, what is that show? American Haunting? American Horror Story. I feel like I'm in that one, I think it's season 4, where it's the coven. I feel like a witch. This is a very witchy hat. This looks cute. This looks cute. I like it. But you know, I plan to wear this with the black leather jacket because I want to look like a biker girl. I do not okay, this is the shirt, the brown, not brown, the orange shirt, crop top shirt. I do not like these joggers. They are really tight around my thigh area. It feels like it's about to rip. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It looks like, what the heck? I think the back looks okay. I feel like if I were to drop something, whoop, there goes my pants. They rip. Right here you can tell that they look so tight. This is just not it. The shirt's cute, but I just don't think that these joggers are cutting it because I think it's a little bit too tight for me. The shirt is cute. I like the shirt. Am I supposed to just pull this up more? Oh, no. I pretty much liked all of the items except for these joggers, but that's okay. That's okay. If you want to see another haul video, subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. But thanks for watching.